Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to show you 3 dresses that I ordered from Savannah by Urbanic. So Urbanic has a new application and website altogether which is called Savannah by Urbanic, and it has many options and very good pieces. This is the second or third time that I've ordered from this Savannah by Urbanic, and I wanted to show you these 3 dresses which are meant for different purposes, different occasions, and different in style altogether. So if you're thinking to buy any kind of a summer dresses, you can totally check this out, and also these are in affordable range. First one that I have is something in off-white and black style. It's a perfect vacation kind of an outfit or any summer brunch style. This is in color, I think very off-white grayish with the black detailing, and it has flare. So I'll show you how it looks on me. But this is very nice. I would recommend if somebody is looking for any summer dress which is good in the fabric and can be worn even in your summer day out look, कहीं ब्रंच लंच पे या फिर आप किसी वेकेशन पे जा रहे हो तो ये बहुत ही अमेजिंग लगेगा फॉर वेकेशन स्पेशली, बिकॉज जो कलर है कॉम्बिनेशन दिस इज़ न्यूट्रल शेड. सो इसमें ब्लैक है और एक ये बेज कलर है. सो इट लुक्स वेरी नाइस एंड द साइज दैट आई हैव, लेट मी टेल यू, द साइज दैट आई हैव is S, and yes, the color is beige, and the price of this was around 1527, and I think मुझे 1500 something का ही पड़ा. and there are lot of coupons in Savannah by Urbanic, तो आप कोई भी अगर आप 2-3 हज़ार या 2000 से ऊपर को शॉपिंग करें तो आई थिंक उसमें 300 ऑफ मिल जाएगा आपको. ओके, you can see how it looks on me. Next up is a very stunning piece, very stunning dress. It's in red color. So I think I have purchased red color after years. I don't even remember the last time that I wore red or I've even purchased it, because it's just that I went more into neutrals and subtle shades, and this is the kind of color that I would prefer to wear in ethnic Indian wear, but not a lot in Indian wear or in Western wear. But somehow this piece looks very nice, and I'm so confused I should keep it or not, because I'm just thinking that maybe after a few months I feel that I don't like this, don't want to wear this color. It's so loud, and I will not wear it, and it will be just there in my closet. So I would rather not spend money on this. So I'm just not sure. So it comes with, so this is the kind of dress it has been trending lately. The fit is very nice, and the best part is this some kind of a wrap around which is trending. It's all over Pinterest, so this looks very nice. It's a perfect dress for a date night, for your birthday. I would highly recommend if somebody's birthday is coming up and they want to dress something extra, then definitely you can even carry this color and you can even wear it, and it's more like a special occasion, your any special occasion with your loved ones, कुछ भी स्पेशल, कुछ रोमांटिक डिनर है या कुछ भी ऐसा है, वैलेंटाइंस आउटफिट, तो उस टाइप से दिस इज़ वेरी नाइस. एंड लेट मी टेल यू, दिस इज़ अ बॉडीकॉन ड्रेस. सो आप अपने फिट अकॉर्डिंगली लो, बिकॉज बॉडीकॉन में सिर्फ थोड़ा सा इशू होता है, फ्लेयर्ड में इट्स नॉट अ इशू. आई विल टेल यू द साइज दैट आई ऑर्डर. द साइज इज़ S size, fit perfectly well to me, and the price is around 2300 something, 2355. So now you can decide if you really want to spend or not, and I'll just show you how it looks on me. Next one I have is bit of a formal style. This is called as a blazer dress on the application as well. So I really like the print and the color. It's so subtle, it's giving so corporate core aesthetic vibe, because it the quality is so good. It's giving me the summer blazer look, and वो formal style जो आप एक office में या कभी कोई अच्छी सी office की party है and you don't want to wear very basic but you also want to dress up nice and bit formal style, तो I'm sure this would be the perfect fit. So मैं बहुत confused थी कि मेरे को सब तीनों dresses of course I won't keep. I want to keep one of it. I am more inclined towards this because I feel कि ये मेरी ज़्यादा use होगी, because ये office type में या office party में, because I work 9 to 5 job, not exactly 9 to 5, 9 to 9. So I think कभी office get together और कभी किसी formal dinners or whenever you want to look more put together, more chic, classy, so I think this would look very nice. And let me tell you, this dress size that I've ordered is again size S, and the price is around 2050 rupees. So I think still this one is worth it. The other two ones are perfect for occasion and vacation. So but I feel कि मेरे पास vacation वाले outfits already पहले से है, so I'm gonna keep reusing that. But I don't love that off-white one, so मुझे अभी भी बार बार confusion हो रही है I should keep it or not. But if I am very sure about something, I think I should keep this one, because ये print and all ये बहुत easily मुझे कहीं पे भी नहीं मिलता बहुत इजीली इस प्राइस में, और ये बहुत ही पिंटरेस्टी स्टाइल है. सो यस. ओके, सो यही 3 ड्रेसेस थी दैट आई ऑर्डर फ्रॉम सवाना बाय Urbanic, एंड आई रियली वांटेड टू शो यू सो दैट यू गाइज गेट एन आइडिया कि इसकी क्वालिटी और इसके प्राइजेज एंड साइजेस कैसे हैं. एंड लेट मी नो इन द कमेंट सेक्शन क्या क्या यू वांट मी टू कवर, और I will do that. And also just to let you know, this ये सब returnable भी है. Savannah Urbanic has a policy of around 10 days, so कोई issue नहीं है. If you don't like it, then you can always return. And let me know what all videos you want me to make, and the links of these dresses will be in the description box or in my community channel. And thank you for watching.